Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Vineet Manas. So friends, finally we come with our online service, one of the online service. So basically if you are a influencer or content creator, or if you have any shop, or you are owning a owning a business from Instagram and Facebook, so you need some kind of tools over there. So basically we are providing that tools with our online services. So hope you like our tool. You can check out our tool. So in this video I will show you some of the key highlighted features of our tool. So just start the video. So whenever you come to our website like developercodeset.com, so simply go to our services and Instagram automation tool. Just click on it and you will be redirected to a page where you can see it on Instagram and Facebook DMs to sale with developer codeset. So rightly it is very important to scale up your business according to the environment. Like in today's environment, some of people use Instagram and Facebook to scale up their businesses. So might be pretty it is like in demand tool that everyone needs. Like if you want more engagement as an influencer or as a content creator, so you need something like tool this like auto comment, auto reply in DMs. So also these have features like auto post photos and videos. So these are the highlighted features like post automation, chatbot automation, auto comment reply, live chat, e-commerce store, and call to action. Basically this feature is call to action is available on Facebook. So let's talk about some little prices over there. So basically we have three plans over here. One is for 90 days, that is $100 USD. Basically this is USD, $100. So this is $5 per month, where you can get like bot unlimited, bot AI reply 15, bot Instagram. You can check out this all the highlighted features over there. So if you opt that 360 days, it should be like $3 per month. So this was $5 per month, and this is $3 per month only with the $33. So we have another plan like $69 for 360 days, but in this $69 we also provide .com domain with plus hosting. Like we also provide you hosting and .com domain. So what this means, you can also create your own same to same portal like this, as you can see, to and to scale up your own IT business and kind of that, if you want to provide the business. So I will select this. So I click on it. So I should create a one account over there. So let me just fill up the account details. Sign. After that, yes, activation code has been sent to your email inbox and to activate. So I'll just go to my email. So this is the account, right? So this is the link. I just copy this link, and the OTP code is 20279. Okay, so I'll just paste the link and 202793 202793. Okay, so activate. So the account is activated now. So I just have to put the email and password now. So once I've created the account, so this is the trial package. As you can see, only bot manager and subscriber manager is there to see how it is working. So I have just it is a trial for 3 days. If renew package transaction, yes. So I just explore the dashboard later on, but I will show you one more thing, that you should have that Facebook page as well, Facebook page and Instagram business or creator account, right? After that you should also have a business portfolio, so that it will link the Facebook pages to sync all the Instagram and Facebook account automatically, right? So these tools are very important, right? So in the trial you should have like bot manager to check out the things. So before this we'll just go to and log in with Facebook. So it will actually sync the account and provide us the like bot manager which account we should use. So just simply, this is the pages you want to access, developer CodeZ to access, right? So just opt in all current and future pages, continue, and save it. Got it. After saving it, it will show us the dashboard with the connected account, right? So now I have two accounts, developer CodeZ and Vineet Manas Vlogs. So currently I'm using developer CodeZ over here to show the demo of the trial and the paid version as well. So I just simply click on enable bot connection. Okay, the bot connection has been enabled successfully here. It's okay. So I have created a test account over here, and I am just using this developer CodeZ to send over this message, right? So I will show you later on how this actually works. So this is the trial version where I am having the bot, but before this I will renew my package. You have options of 90 days, $18, which is $5 per month, and $3 per month, with this course is $33. So I will select the package, and after payment the whole dashboard will be unlocked. So I'll click on it. We have two payment options. One is PayPal for international payments, another is PayU for domestic payments. Like in India you can use PayU, and for international you can use PayPal. So I'll just use PayU to show the currency into Indian INR rupees. So as this is the testing payment, as you can see in the URL api.test, so I will just do the testing payment. So if I'm using the PayU, so I have anything at the rate PayU, it say there testing UPI ID. So I will just make the success. It should not be shown to you because it is a testing integration. That's why I'll just show you the process, how it actually works. So here we automatically log out. So after logout, you should log in it again to see the portal. So I just enter the password. Now you can see the whole dashboard should as seems to be unlocked over here. So firstly I show the connected account, which is already we connected our account, developer CodeZ and Vineet Manas Vlogs. So here is API channels. If you want to like use email, responder, SMS, or here this is also OpenAI. We can also use this OpenAI and providing the OpenAI as well, right? If you want to use your own API, you can also use. So just going to there are two tools, one is for Facebook, another is for Instagram. Both the tools are same instead of this broadcasting. So I will explain not very deeply. I will show you the overview of these tools. So later on in later on videos I will show you each menu with explanation. So I will go to the subscriber manager. As the menus are same for Facebook and Instagram, so I will go to the Instagram. So this is the subscriber manager, where you can see your subscriber manager, who is your subscribers and all your data, right? After that it comes with the live chat, but before live chat I will show you one thing to turn off the reply if no match found. So it automatically trigger when you log into the new account. So I will off it and go to the live chat. So here I have a testing account. So this is developer CodeZ and this is also a developer CodeZ. So I will send this I will send a message from this account, hello, which will show in the real time over there like this. See, so it will reflect in the real time. So how are you? So when you send message like how are you, so it will reflect to their Instagram account. So this is a live chat option, in where you can also see the send flow option. Basically we don't have any flow, we can build it. So flow canned option, if you want to attach an image or you want to send any audio record, right? So this is our live chat option where you can like if you want to add any label, it is subscribed or not, right? So if you go to the subscriber manager, it will show then one subscriber ID is there, right? So this is the live chat option. It is same as we can use in Instagram. So now the main feature comes over here, bot reply, bot keyword settings. So this is the main feature that we are using, bot reply. So I will show you a little bit feature of it. Like we have different things, like for starting, like hi, hello. So this is a keyword where it when the keyword matches, it will actually tricks and send the message whatever it is and creates a flow. So I will send a text message over here. Okay, one more thing I want to show you, that if you go, so here are multiple options like text, AI reply, carousel, image, RC and e-commerce card, right? So if you select text, like hi, full name, how are you, right? So I will send this. You can also send like AI messages, AI reply over there. So it is a one-time AI reply, not the AI will continue the chat. So it's a single time message that should be sent by AI. So it's a flow, right? So here I'm just showing you the demo over here. Hi, how are you? So I will just save it and click on sending hi, so that it triggers the message, right? So it sends, it triggers, and now it automatically sends hi, how are you? So right, how this is how it works. So if you want to send any button, any compose text message, any quick replies, you can also send over there, right? And later videos I can explain how you can actually use this in e-commerce, in like if you want to automate something or that. So after that, it is bot keyword settings. Like here you can also change the bot keywords if you want to change the flow. Post back manager or is there, right? After that there are some, this is icebreaker, general settings, like if no match found, like if I save this where no match reply found. So if I write something that doesn't reply, that doesn't match to my flow, so what it will reply, see, sorry we could not find any content to show, our team member will reply you soon. So if we don't have any kind of this, it will reply automatically, right? So all the things are has been like editable, like no match template. So I just use this. So this is the main template that I use to send the messages. Okay, after that I will show you one more thing, comment manager. So here I have comment template and reply template. Also you can see that many of the things, like people are using like comment this word and we will send you into DM. So this is the main thing that you are using. Do you want to reply comments of multiple times? Yes. Generic comment reply for all, cement comment reply by filtering words and sentence. You can select any of these options. So auto comment reply name. So let me, I'm using testing. Reply if the filter work exactly matches. Reply if any occurs, if any matches occurs with the filter word. So here we have another option, like if you want to filter, like I'm using test. If someone writes a test word, I will write hi. If you want to also mention the user, tag user, right? Check your DM. Select message template. So we don't have okay, we have the hello. If you want to, it's a reply, it's a private DM reply. So if no reply, if no match is found, what should we do? Okay, if no reply found, what should we do? We will send the same message to the DMs. So I will also do the same thing, like submit, right? So here auto comments has been enabled, but now we have to also select the where in which post it should be enabled. So I'll go to the all post and select the latest post that I have. I think this one. So here is the post. Actually there is some network action, so I just switched my Wi-Fi connection. So this is the post, right? So what I will do, I will just this is the main account developer course, but I have login this account to another user, right? So I'll just comment over here, yes, the test comment, right? So when I comment it, it will also send a message to the TM. So I will write it test. Okay, I will post it. Oh, but wait, but actually I have to enable the auto comment reply first. So enabling the auto commenting reply, which template I have to use? The recent template that I have created. So I just submit it. So now the template has been created. Now I will send the test comment. So here I have sent the test comment over here. Let me now, yes, I have received it. So here as you can see, I have received a message, but also I have also received a notification as well. Yes, this one. So this is the notification, like if I simply, I think I should have to reload the page. Yes, now the reply is there. Hi Vinit Manas, check your DM. So message is also there, the message that we have set up, right? So this is the working, and there is more features over there, like comment template, reply and all post, and there is also social posting, which is used to post the photos and videos to our Instagram and Facebook account. So just simply have to create the post, Instagram or Facebook. I'll just go to the Instagram. Like you have to select the text, video, right? Post now, Instagram account, you have to select pages, Facebook pages, Instagram pages are there, and your campaign name, text, right? And just submit it. Like it shows that media type is not supported because I think it saves the images and video in Instagram. Facebook we can save as text. Okay, I will try an image of this train. So once it is uploaded, let it be test. So we have two options, like post it now, or you want to schedule the time later on any day, any time, right? So the image is uploaded there, and I was to post it now, submit it. So depending upon the size of the videos and images, it will post the image, right? So this images has been posted. So if you go to the profile, yes, profile, see the image is there, and that title is also there. So this is a basic working and highlighted key features that I have described. Also there is some e-commerce store, and if you want to set up e-commerce store, you can also set up there. So this is the main highlighted feature. Hope you should enjoy it. You can go and check out this tool and use the trial version. If you satisfy with the trial version, you can also purchase the paid version to enjoy and to check all the things. Thank you very much.